Hi, my name is Alistair Davies and I work for Interfuture Systems as the IT Helpdesk Manager. Getting into IT, I worked for my dad's IT company when I was about 18 or so, running network cabling and then obviously progressing into doing more of the hardware stuff. I eventually got into another job working for an HR company where I ended up building all the machines and loading all the operating systems. From there, I moved on to another company called Barlow World Logistics, which is quite a large logistics company in South Africa, working as a support desk technician. From there, I progressed to a company called ARB Wholesalers. From there, I progressed to another company called Q Administration, and then I've ended up here at Interfuture in the UK. As the IT Helpdesk Manager, I have to oversee all the first-line engineers. This is the everyday runnings of the help desk, includes making sure that the customer is seen to in a timely fashion, and then obviously looking after and doing my own tasks. I also do a lot of communication with the IT manager, and between the two of us, we maintain how help desk and the more senior side of Interfuture Systems works. So working for Interfuture Systems is quite nice actually. Most of the team get along quite well with each other, so it's an easy environment to work in. There's a lot of banter and chat that goes on throughout the day, so we laugh quite a bit and make quite a lot of jokes. And our ordering of food is quite entertaining to watch. So. The best thing about being the IT Helpdesk Manager is the satisfaction you get from the customer when the project is complete or a task is complete. Seeing the thank yous on the tickets when you're closing off the ticket and on Trustpilots is the most rewarding part of it all. The most challenging part of a day is when we have return tickets. We recently had one with a customer where there's been some issues with hardware, and it's not actually an issue that we've created, but it's actually come from the manufacturer, and trying to resolve that and having the third party, which being the manufacturer, and yourself trying to relay this to the customer can be quite an uphill battle, because all the customer wants is for his computer or his telephone or something like that to work from the time that he gets it. The one tip I give to anybody working with a computer or working in IT is to reboot your computer. A lot of people think that by leaving it on for weeks on end will maintain the machine, but if you don't look after your machine and reboot it, you end up with a lot of issues. I don't know, a lot of people would say the new IT trend for 2025 is AI, but one thing that everyone seems to like missing is the cloud services. Like there's so many automation cloud services that work that actually help alleviate your tasks and help you to focus on other parts of your job, which I think is actually more of a trend right now than AI. I mean, everybody goes to that, but I'd be more worried about AI than anything else. What I like to do, I like to collect a lot of music, do a bit of DJing here and there, also into a bit of crypto mining. Not that anyone cares about that anymore, but yeah, I still, it's more like of a hobby now more than actually making money off of it. There's so many things you can do in it. So when I lived in South Africa, I would have been surfing and bodyboarding, but you can't do that. Yeah, the water's too cold, so.